Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol KleverNews AI, which is the world's first fully AI driven app that creates, hosts and sells self-updating news website with a single keyword in any niche and helps you to make you $200 daily in passive income. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $1500 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hi guys, this is your friend Ram Rawat, the mustached marketer, and in this short video I'm going to walk you through inside my new software that's called KleverNews AI. So I'm going to cover three important things inside this video. The first thing is I'm going to show you how you can create a viral news website. Second, how you can monetize it, and third, how the whole system works, and you can even host the advertisement for other people and charge them. So it's a complete system that is going to generate you money through affiliate marketing and providing services to others. So let's directly jump into the demo part. If you can see on the left of the dashboard, you have so many options. The first one is creating the news website, and you can check all the websites that you have created inside view websites option. Then you have done for you email automation, where you can send an autoresponder setup of emails so that your people who have signed up to your website can receive a certain set of emails in the coming days. And this is an autoresponder setup so that you can sync your existing autoresponder with the website so that you can have complete synchronization of your leads through the system. Then you have the SMTP option to set up your SMTP options to send emails to these subscribers, and you can check out the traffic stats and all the leads that you have generated so far. So this is a simple system but very powerful. Let me directly show you how this whole thing works. So let's go inside the create new option, and the first step that you have to do is decide a title for your website, and then you can go around it. So for example, I want to create a website that is related to trending technical gadgets or technology. Then I can, for example, I can simply say viral tech trends. It's my title, and I can updates and more. So I can provide all the description. Then I can select the theme. This is step one, where you select the theme. So you can see there are 5 different themes. You can select any one of them. So for demo purpose, let me say I select this one, and you have to enable the AI content for news. So based on your category of the content, it is going to create the content and automatically update your website with the artificial generated content, so you don't have to worry about updating the website. So that's a really interesting part of the whole system. So now we have selected the name. Now let me click on the continue button, and we can see more options here. So here you have to decide the subdomain. So for right now, I'll simply say viral trend tech trends, and we'll add a logo. So I've already created a logo. I'll simply upload that logo. So my logo is updated here. Now I can select the theme. So I can change the colors of the theme of my website, and this is a secondary color I want to change. So it's all up to me. As of now, I am keeping them same. If you want to change, you can go ahead. And this is the automation. So if you have created an automation, you can do that from here, pick it from here, and you can create the automation directly by going inside done for email automation option, and you can select your SMTP. So these things are require like 30 seconds of setup. You can do that directly by going here. As of now, I'm keeping it same, and here you can select your autoresponder. As of now, let's say I want to generate leads related to some offer that I want to promote from ClickBank. Then I can provide the link for that offer. So for example, before we go ahead, let's go back to ClickBank and pick an offer from the marketplace. So here's the marketplace, and let's say I want to promote an offer from e-business and e-marketing. So I come here and I pick up an offer. So yeah. So next thing is configuration of affiliate link. So you can create an affiliate link in a text ad, or you can even add your banners to that website, but I'll explain those things in the next coming steps. So as of now, let's say I want to generate leads. So let's say $100 a day ebook guide, and I want to send the traffic to it. So I'll simply add the link to my website where I want to generate, I want to send these people so that they can sign up. This is my website, and see, this link is created. I can make it bold, I can underline it, or I can make it italic. So it's all up to me how I want to play with it. The next thing is, once this is done, all I have to do is okay, we left one thing, that is selecting the news category. So right now, since the whole website is based on technology, so I'll select technology option. If you want more, you can select multiple categories, maybe let's say business. So I've selected 2 categories, and now click on the continue option here and see how the website turns out. So this is the basic setup that is required. Now I need to add a username and a password and an email address here. So let's say gmail.com. Let's see, this is my username, email address, my password for this website, and submit. So these are the login details for your website that you have just created. So the site is already created. Now it is going to update the content within 10 minutes. Just wait for a few minutes and your site will be ready. So this is the site that we just created. This is a subdomain. Here you can see the option for the details. You want to update the site, you click here. You want to see the site, you simply click here, and you can check out the site. See, the subdomain is viral tech trends that we just created, and you can see my website is ready and loaded with all the latest content that is happening in the technology and business space. So you see, my website is ready. All I had to do is select the few categories, and that's it. And few button clicks, that's all. So once this is done, I can generate the leads with a pop-up form, or I can even monetize the site with these banner ads. And that link ad that we just created during the setup, we can check out that link ad on all the posts. It will be available on all the posts. See, this is the link ad that we created, $100 a day ebook guide. So when I click it, it should take me to my website. That was mustachedmarketer.com. So this is my website. Hi guys. Now I come back here, and you can see this link is updated in all the posts of the website. So I can check out that. See, it's updated here, everywhere. And now you can see these banners are available for you to monetize. So what you can do, and you can see my logo is also updated. See, so your complete functioning news website is ready, and it's a self-updating website. You don't have to do much work. Still, if you want to update the content, you simply hit the update site button and the content will get updated on site. And this is the interesting part, you click on the details. So that's where you find the login details of your website, and this is the admin URL so that you can log in inside this website that you just created, and you can make these updates. Like you want to update a banner ad, or you want to make any other changes, themes, and anything, you can do that by going to this URL. So this is the admin login URL of this website. Okay, this was the name of our website. Now we come back here, we copy our login details, and we enter to the website. Okay, let me move this, sign in, and now I have entered to my this particular website, so that I can edit all the details inside this website. And I can create, the thing is, I can create multiple websites like this by simply following this simple step that is called create new viral news site. And let's go back here to edit this site. Okay, so for example, we want to monetize, that was the second part of the whole demo video. So if you want to monetize it, all you can do, you can create you can pick an offer from ClickBank or any other platform, and you can host that offer here with your affiliate link. Or you can even provide, if you are getting very good amount of traffic, you can even provide services like to host the ads for other people, so that you can charge them for each ad for any particular amount of day and time. Okay, so let's go back here, and you can see we are going to edit the site. This was my email for this site. Now if I want to update the advertisement, I come to here and I can see the location of these are all the ads and on different pages, so that if I want to update any particular banner on any page, I can do that from here. And as of now, if I want to check where exactly this banner is located, I can click on view location option and see this banner is located here, just showing me the location. Now I want to upload this banner, so I've already created a banner. If you want, I can show you how this looks. So this is how my banner looks. So I'll simply upload this banner. 1 second. I uploaded this banner, it's uploaded, and I want to promote an offer. So I've already created this banner based on an offer that I picked up from ClickBank. So when you this is the offer. When you go to marketplace, as of now I am selecting e-business and e-marketing option. This is the category because my website is based on this category and I want to promote this offer. Okay, so I'll simply click on promote and I'll create my hop link. This is my link, and now I come back to the admin panel of the website and I'll leave this link here. Okay, I'll save this, and now I go back and I refresh my website. I should be seeing a banner ad here that we just created. See, my banner ad is created, and if I'll click on this, it should take me to the main offer that we are planning to promote. That is it's the offer Conversio. Okay, let me click here and let's see what happens. See, it has brought me to the sales page of that particular offer. So this is how you are going to monetize your website. Let me go back. This is the website that we just created, and I hope you understood how the whole system works. Still, if you have any questions or queries, you can reach out to my support, that is support@ramrawat.net, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.